This food is over 3,000 years old, and you could eat it right now. There's a jar of honey sitting in a museum case in Egypt. It was sealed over 3,000 years ago, buried alongside a pharaoh. Archaeologists cracked it open expecting dust. Instead, they found honey. Soft, golden, still edible. No preservatives, no refrigeration, no expiration date. In 3,000 years, nothing crawled into it, nothing rotted it, nothing broke it down. Every other food on Earth surrenders to time. Honey doesn't.
So what is honey actually made of that lets it cheat death itself? Why?
To understand this, you have to stop thinking of honey as food.
To the things that usually destroy food, bacteria, mold, fungus, honey isn't food at all. It's a trap.
Start with the obvious. Honey is sugar. About 80% of it.
That alone should make it spoil fast. Sugar is basically candy for bacteria. But here's the twist. When sugar concentration gets this high, it stops feeding bacteria and starts killing them. It's called osmosis. Bacteria are mostly water. Drop one into honey, and the sugar around it is so concentrated that it violently pulls all the water out of the bacterial cell, from the inside out. The cell shrivels, collapses, and dies, dehydrated in seconds. Honey doesn't starve bacteria. It executes them. But sugar alone isn't the whole story. Because sugar can crystallize, absorb moisture, go soft. Honey needed a second layer of defense. Enter the bees.
When a bee drinks nectar, an enzyme in its stomach called glucose oxidase gets mixed in.
Back at the hive, as the bees fan their wings to evaporate the water out of the nectar,
that enzyme reacts with the little oxygen still present and produces two things, gluconic acid and...
This is the strange part. Hydrogen peroxide. The exact same chemical you'd pour on a wound to disinfect it.
Honey is quietly bleeding antiseptic, all on its own, constantly, forever.
That acid also drops honey's pH down to somewhere between 3 and 4.5, roughly as acidic as vinegar. Almost nothing that causes decay can survive in an environment that hostile. Now here's a common myth worth busting. People assume honey lasts forever because it's natural or
It's not magic. It's actually one of the most hostile microenvironments in the food world.
nothing wants to live there. That's the whole secret. Now here's where it gets stranger. Even the water that is in honey, roughly 17%, isn't fully available. Most of it is chemically bonded to the sugar molecules themselves, locked away, unusable by microorganisms. On paper, honey looks like it has moisture. In reality, it's closer to a desert than a liquid. That's also why honey never technically needs a fridge. Cold temperatures would actually work against it, since honey stored cold crystallizes fast, turning grainy and cloudy.
Real honey doesn't go bad in the pantry. It just changes texture. And even then, a little warmth brings it right back to liquid gold.
But that's not even the strangest part of this story. Here's the twist that ties it all together. Honey doesn't survive time. It defeats it. Every mechanism that destroys food, moisture, bacteria, oxidation, decay, honey has already. It's not preserved. It's engineered by millions of years of evolution to be unrottable. That 3,000-year-old jar in the Egyptian tomb wasn't a miracle. It was honey simply doing exactly what it was built to do. Outlast the pharaoh, outlast the pyramid, outlast everyone who ever looked at it and assumed it should have died like everything else. So the next time you find a crystallized, cloudy jar of honey pushed to the back of your pantry, don't throw it out. Don't throw it out.
Warm it gently, stir it back to liquid.
You're looking at the closest thing nature ever built to immortality. So, what other expired food in your kitchen might actually still be perfectly fine?
Hope you enjoyed this one. If your brain got sweeter, hit subscribe. Next time we're cracking another food mystery. You'll never look at the same way again.